Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial, we will going to learn how to make this beautiful and very beginner level, very easy crochet doily pattern, which I have made in two colors. You can make a choice of your own two colors, but do make this doily in double colors so that it would give a very elegant and a nice look to your doily. So let's go ahead and start making this doily. So for this project, I have used cotton yarn, 4-ply cotton yarn of olive green color and cotton cream color yarn of white color by Magic Needles. And the basic requirement for this doily is first we have to make the basic crochet circle, and you can make the circle as big as you want as per the size of your doily. And now I have made this circle up till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rounds. You can make a bigger size or you can make even a smaller size of the circle. But after completing any number of rows you want in this basic crochet circle, the thing you have to do is after completing the circle you have to make one row of one single crochet in each stitch around, like I have already made. So after this we will start with our pattern of the doily, which is okay. So here we will start anywhere. I'm changing my color here. I'll start anywhere from here. Make two chains which will count as one half double crochet and one double crochet inside the same stitch, like this. Now I'll skip one stitch. In the next stitch I'll make one half double crochet and one double crochet. Skipping one stitch I'll make one half double crochet in the next stitch and one double crochet in the same stitch. So basically we have to skip one stitch, and in the next stitch we will make one half double crochet and one double crochet together. Skipping one stitch, in the next one half double crochet and one double crochet together, like this. Okay, so here I've completed this round and I've made a slip stitch on the very first half double crochet which we have made at the start. Now after this round what we will do is we will make one chain up and a single crochet in the same stitch, and then in all the stitches we will make single crochets. So basically one single crochet in each of the stitches with the same color. So I'm going to make one single crochet in each of the stitches like this, and I'll complete this round. After this round we will repeat this first second round, but together we have to make this round of half double crochet, one double crochet, and after that a row of single crochet with one color. Then again I'll use this green color, then white color, then green color. Likewise I'll keep repeating. Probably I'll make 5 sets of these two rows, total 10 rows, and I'll see you after that. Okay, so here I've completed few rounds of one half double crochet, one double crochet, and a row of single crochet. Next we will start with the final border, not the final round but the final border of this doily. So as I told you earlier, you can increase the size of your doily as per your choice, the basic crochet circle and the these round of alternate colors, or if you want to make doily with one single color, but I would suggest you to make it in double color so that it would give a very elegant look to your doily. Let's start with the border part. Here I'll insert my hook anywhere and I'll start with chain of 3, which will count as 1 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. In the same stitch I will make 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 more double crochet. So basically 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet, like this. Then skipping 2 stitches down here, 1 and 2, I'll make, in the third stitch I'll make 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet. Again skip 2 stitches, in the next round make 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet all together in the same stitch. We will continue this round in the similar way, skipping 2 stitches in the third stitch, make 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet. This way. After this round we will, okay, first let me complete this round and I'll show you what we have to do in the next round, which is very much similar to this round. It's just we have to make a single crochets in between these. I'll see you at the end of the round here. Okay, so here I've completed this round and now I'm going to repeat this round one more time by making a slip stitch into the second double crochet and then into the chain 2 space here. Then again to start up I'll make chain 3, which will count as 1 double crochet, 1 more double crochet, chain 2 and 2 more double crochet all in the chain 2 space. Now as I told you earlier that we will make a single crochet here, but not here. In the third round of this pattern we will make a single crochet. So this second round would be as it is as the first round of this pattern. So in the next chain 2 space, chain 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochets. In the next one, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, oops, and 2 double crochet. So likewise I'll continue this round as this first pattern and I'll see you after that. So here I've completed my second round of this pattern and we'll start with the third round, which is exactly similar. It's just we have to make one single crochet in between. So skipping second double crochet and doing slip stitch in the first chain 2 space here. I'll start with chain 3, which will count as 1 double crochet. Similar like other 2 rounds, 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochets. Here I'll make a long single crochet beneath this first gap here, like this. I'll make a single crochet like this, a long single crochet. Again 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet in the next chain space, chain 2 space, then a long single crochet like this. I'll keep continuing like this, 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochets, a long single crochet between the 2 gaps like this. So continue this round the similar way, this third round, and I'll see you at the end of this round here. Okay, so here I've completed the third round and I'll make my last long single crochet here and a slip stitch in the third chain stitch which we have made at the start to make 1 double crochet. cut the yarn and I'll hide this tail afterwards. I'm going to make my last round here, which is very easy. Directly I'll slip into this chain 2 space here, and like always I'll make 3 chains at the start to make 1 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, and here in this I'll make 7 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 double crochets, then a single crochet here in the long single crochet which we have made, or like this. Again, in the next chain 2 space I'll make 7 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a single crochet here in between the single crochet from previous round, and likewise I'll keep repeating this in every chain 2 space. I'll make 7 double crochets and single crochets on single crochet from the previous round. Now what you can do is, if you want to increase this doily size, you can increase basic crochet circle, you can increase these half double crochet, 1 double crochet round with along with a round of 1 single crochet, and even you can increase this round of 2 double crochet, 2 chain 2 double crochet, 2 rounds together with a single crochet in between. So likewise you can increase the diameter of this doily, and the final round would be of this: 7 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 7 double crochet, 1 single crochet. I'll complete this round and I'll see you after this round. Alright, so here I've completed this doily with my final round of 7 double crochets in each chain 2 space, and this is how it looks. As I told you earlier, you can increase the size of doily as per your desired size. So go ahead and try making this beautiful and elegant doily pattern, and do let me know how you like it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep liking, sharing and subscribing my videos. Thank you.